Once in the beautiful valleys of Suleiman, there lived a young girl named Pari. She possessed an extraordinary talent for creating colorful quilts, artfully embroidered by her gentle hands. As her intricately designed quilts gained more popularity, Sophia, another name people called her by, slowly drifted away from the simple joys of her small village. She began working for fame and fortune, and sadly, the love for her craft was lost in pursuit of wealth. Her friends noticed the change in her heart and chose to leave, leaving her alone with only her work. One night, as the light of the 14th moon fell softly upon her face, the moon seemed to whisper, "You have all the wealth of the world, yet I sense your sadness. Why?" Tears began to flow softly from her eyes, and gradually, she fell into a gentle sleep. In her dreams, Pari saw her ancestors who had passed down the art of quilt making through generations. They looked at Pari and whispered, "Create not with your hands, but with your heart." They reminded her of the art they had learned, taught with great effort and dedication, and passed down through the ages. Earn not wealth, but respect, and happiness will find its way to you. Waking up from the dream, Pari felt a sense of calm as she understood the reason for her restlessness. She embraced the wisdom of her forebears. Resolute, Pari decided to live once more for the love of her art, rather than the temptation of wealth. She resumed her simple way of life, creating quilts with the intent of bringing joy to people's hearts. She realized that she was chosen by God for this work, to express the natural beauty granted by Him, to make people happy, and to spread joy in their hearts. The tale of Pari teaches us to cherish the unique beauty and diversity of our villages, to see them as God's blessings, and to be grateful. This story became a cherished folk tale among the villagers in Suleiman, with grandmothers and grandfathers recounting it to the young and old, bringing tears to their eyes as they remembered Pari.